Let's see if we get an automatic ride upstairs. Oh, we are getting an automatic ride. 0. Let's go up to 8 then, if somebody's coming in.
Chodź, chodź.
This is going up.
No, down.
Oh.
Fajne dzwonie.
D4.
Jeżeli wy poszukacie u siebie, nie wiem.
Ej, to może idę po tego, do pokoju pójdę jeszcze, wezmę sobie tylko fajkę. I take my smoker. I go down.
No.
No, jak już tu jesteśmy.
No, we check the floor. Inside floor first.
No to, a potem idziemy na auto.
Let's see if we get an automatic ride on one of these elevators. The one on the right isn't working, so yeah, we might get automatic rides. It's coming up for us now. See if we get down to the ground floor. Let's go down automatically. I hope we're going down. Yeah, we're going down. What are we gonna stop on? We might stop on the way down to the ground floor. Yeah, we're stopping on the ground floor. This is the place we're off anyway. Actually, let's go for one more ride upstairs and then back down. -1. Floor -1. See if anyone is gonna come up.
Hadi.